Hey everyone, Rajat here. So today I would like to review these OnePlus Z which I ordered on Diwali. So I have been using these buds since Diwali 2020, and in this video I want to record my honest view as an average consumer. Now I would like to give a quick disclaimer that I am not a music fanatic. I just listen to music from time to time, but I listen to podcast quite a lot. So all throughout the day, I listen to the podcast. And eventually, I also consume some YouTube and other OTT platform content ranging from Netflix to Disney Hotstar. So that is all about my usage when it comes to hearing through these buds. Right. So let's talk about the sound quality. Now I would like to get this one fact straight, that the sound quality of these buds is quite awesome, and the bass boost is also really great. I think that for an average consumer, this will pose no sound issues. You will enjoy your music, you will hear crystal clear sounds, and the bass is really great. Now let's talk about the fit. So as you can see, these are the piston designed, you can say, buds, right? So these buds fit comfortably in my ears. I am using the buds that came pre-equipped or pre-installed on these things, but I got two other buds as well. I think those are the smaller buds and the larger buds as compared to the buds that are installed on this bud, right? So I'm using the default buds and the fit is really comfortable. The thing do not slip out of my ears. I move my hand pretty, rapidly. I even exercise after wearing these, and these have never fallen off my ears. I also listen to ASMR while sleeping, so I just take these buds with me to my bed. I listen to the ASMR stuff by having these buds plugged in into my ear while I sleep. I sleep, with my side, and these things pose no connection issues. The connection do not drop, but there is a certain issue with these buds. So if I plug these in and I put my mobile phone in my pocket, and if I start walking, from time to time the connection drops and it reestablishes after some milliseconds. But here I can notice the drop. The music stops playing as soon as I stop walking or take my phone out of my pocket. It reestablishes the connection. The connection reestablishes itself on its own if I let it sit for some time. The duration ranges from some milliseconds to 2 or 3 seconds. It reestablishes it, but it is an issue. The connection drops. So I am pairing these buds with OnePlus Nord. I have googled several forums about this issue, and I got to see that one particular thread where it was mentioned that it is the fault of OnePlus Nord or the OnePlus in general. The OnePlus phones are not able to hold the Bluetooth connection for a really long time. They keep on disconnecting. I don't really know if that is the case with OnePlus phones, but I am encountering this issue. So if you are walking by putting your phone in your pocket, you may encounter disconnections from time to time. Also, the right earbud has these connections. I mean, both earbuds has these connection, but this connection gets very loosened if I try to sleep by this side, right? So it loses the connection from my ear, and this gives the signal to the phone that the user has unplugged the earphones, which is certainly not the case. It is just that the connection between my ear skin and the device is not intact, or you can say it is not as tightly coupled as it should be. So it gives the connection, it gives the signal to the phone that the user has unplugged the bud, and it stops playing whatever that I am playing at that time. So I have to just readjust it so as to reestablish the contact between the connectors and my ear skin. then it resumes the playing. But I keep on encountering this issue from the very start of my usage. So from day one I have been encountering this. I do not face this problem with this earbud on the left, but the right one has this problem. So it might be an issue with you can say this piece, but yeah, this is one more issue. So let's talk about the battery part. So the battery of these things lasts from 1 day to 1.5 day if I keep on putting the earbuds into this packet which comes with the earbuds, right? So this packet also has I should be saying this case also has the inbuilt battery. So battery in this case is not that great. You have to charge it very often. It charges these buds pretty well, but the battery that is in here, it's not that really great. You have to charge it like from time to time, and every other day you have to charge it in case you want to use your bud properly. Otherwise it will stop charging your buds and you will not get any sort of notification even on your phone that your buds are not getting charged because there is no battery. There is this one LED over here, but it blinks, but I do not get proper signals out of it, maybe because I cannot distinguish between the greens and the reds. So definitely some user interface issue over here and especially for colorblind people like me who cannot distinguish between the reds and the greens. So I certainly do not get to see if my bud is low on charge, right, and I should be charging it. So that may be an issue for someone who has some sort of color deficiency. If you are a person with a normal vision, you may or may not have or encounter this sort of the problem. Let's also talk about the voice quality. I am recording the video while these are plugged in, so most probably the mic from these devices are recording my voice. So you can clearly see the demonstration of the sound quality you can get out of these mics. So in my opinion, the sound quality is really good. Also, when I'm talking on the phone, no one has ever reported that they cannot hear me properly or there is some sort of distortion in the sound. So I guess that the sound quality is quite good. Also, if you can see, there are touch controls on both of these earbuds, so you can program these earbuds to carry out certain actions. Like I have programmed this right bud. Upon double tapping, it invokes the Google Assistant on my OnePlus Nord, and upon double tapping the left one, it just pauses and resumes the music. There are other options like next track or previous track. You can use those as well. So you have to go into the settings. You do not have to install anything extra for these earbuds, and you just have to go into the settings, and from there you can control what happens when you double tap on either of these earbuds. So that is my concise review about how these things are. Most of the reviews out there do not review from an average consumer's perspective. So I thought it would be a better idea to record from a perspective of a normal user who is not a professional reviewer. So in case you have, you are thinking about buying these things, I think you can go ahead. It is pretty cheap and you won't regret your purchase. In case you have any more questions, make sure you comment in the comment section. If I have your answers, I will try to answer your queries. In case you like this video, in case you want to see more stuff like this, me reviewing things, because I am not a tech reviewer, I am a software developer. I do have my own equipments and I purchase things from time to time, if I can show you. So these are all the gadgets I have purchased, and I keep on purchasing because I also have to upgrade my setup from time to time, and I also am a big time nerd and a gadget guy. So I purchase all of these. So in case you are interested in any of those stuff, those reviews like from day-to-day usage, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and maybe share with your friend who is thinking about buying this OnePlus Bud Z. I see you guys over in the next video if I record something like this, or on this channel I mainly talk about productivity and solopreneurship and everything related to that. So if you are into that stuff, maybe you want to subscribe. Bye.